Hagajing persyang ban Kyntiew ban penklan ya ka kamrap harilum Garo ka All Garo Hills Multipurpose Cooperative Society AGHMPCS haringkat ka jinga trailang ba chokchem sa Multipurpose Cooperative Society MPCS haka arpaway tarik rempang arja arpusan kalaplipat ba ya ka Primary Cashew Processing Unit habal nanggere Garobadha Southwest Garo Hills District. Yakanik of Processing Unit la Tyngka ba ka IFAD GAP Fund bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA. Hakanik sengi lawan bani Shimbanta do Manish Kumar, Assistant Commissioner bat SDO ka Jengjal Subdivision West Garo Hills Kumukongsan, haringkat ka Jiadon lang Ukit Miller Sangma, District Development Manager DDM Nabat West Garo Hills District Kumusembut Kongsan, UV Valentine Hembrom, District Program Manager DPM ka MBMA West Garo Hills District, but Southwest Garo Hills District nalor kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajing kran hakani ka jia lang Manish Kumar ula banjur ya ka jing koridor jong kani ka karkhana penmi Cashew da ka baong bakalong ka bakong san ban yo ya kani ka karkhana na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong kinong rap
ya काम को कहना कहता IFAD दोलोनी All Garo Society लाख छिबोंगा तंगा मना लाख छिबोंगा तंगा 15 lakhs we received for this work but I think we have spent around between 40 to 45 lakhs because we have to cut the land, we have to make the border wall.
So I must congratulate all of you, means especially the village headman, secretary as well as the farmers, because they are the main contributor and main beneficiary of this scheme. And especially I would like to tell all the people to get the benefit out of this scheme, because this will go in a long way to bring overall change in the lifestyle of the people.
Nakaliang Ukit Miller Sangma ulaong bagajing don jong ka karkhana penmi Cashew kalong ka badan kam khamtam harilum Garo da ka bapen pa bakan Kyntiew ya kinong rap pat kumjuru ya karoi kapar.
Di ba chingaba bank? Chingo sao kulina mana? Bank rang chingo kulin gan loan. Bank account kulin gan mo. Government rang chingo account na. Chinga government rang na loan ninga. Bank rang na loan ninga. Jokode bank na sung finally na sung na loan swan. Ya sa chingi kam de mo.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap Kasha plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya Kasha plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya